Alrighty guys, thank you for clicking on this week's video. Today we're going to go over Pinterest stock analysis and whether or not it's a buy or a sell. So the first thing, obviously we know the stock jumped up because they had, some great news come out about them. Wow, big shocker. That's pretty much every single stock while they jump super high in a day. But the main thing that I want to take a look at and be concerned with is if you look at this screenshot right here, it shows that one of their top employees at their company has been selling off shares like crazy, just dumping and dumping and dumping them. And this is just one screenshot. If I continue down the list, there was even more people selling out of their shares on the inside of the company, which tells me if pretty much they're all dumping their shares that they don't want the stock. Why should I? The next major concern that I was just checking out real quickly was their return on assets and their management effectiveness. And I was like, wow, they're not doing well at all. I was like, let's go check the balance sheet and make sure that or their income statement, that it's also just doing as poorly. So before I went to go check that, I was looking at how they have about 67% institutional ownership, just because they're a blue chip stock. Well, they're not really blue chip, I would say, but they're a really well-known stock. So obviously a lot of institutions just want to have it to maybe entice buyers that, hey, we own shares in this company and we believe it's going to go really, really high because it's a well-known tech company. But with such high ownership, the stock really won't have that much room to run after this. If anything, it'll probably start to fall, because as soon as these institutions start dumping their shares onto retail traders, it's just going to be a landslide. So next I was looking at the income statement, and if you look at this, geez, man, they are just bleeding money nonstop. Year after year, they're just getting pounded and pounded and pounded. So that was also a major concern, but hey, sometimes it doesn't matter the fundamental analysis. If a stock runs, it'll run. So I went to go check to see if maybe on the technical analysis side, just a quick little look, see if I think it'll run again. And if you look at this graph as well, it had a huge spike, obviously because of the news. There's a huge buying pressure, and it tapered off immediately. The volume is dying so fast, just like how Kodak a few days ago had a huge buying pressure, shot all the way up, and has been down the last 2 days in a row and over 30%. I think they're trading at $20 now versus their high of $60. They're down $40 in a matter of 2 days. It's crazy, which is typical of stocks to do that like this. Obviously, this stock is going to close in the green today. I don't believe it'll dip below into the red. But long term or even short term, I personally wouldn't take this stock. But let me know what you guys believe or feel like in the comment section below. This is just my personal opinion. I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching.